In this video, I like to share you guys how you can customize your volume slider. No matter which smartphone you are using, Samsung, Oneplus, Huawei, Redmi, Realme, Nokia, but no iOS. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S, so let's start the video. So at first go to Play Store and download this application called Volume Slider. Customize your volume panel. Download and install and unlock all the permission which required. Finally, you can got this beautiful interface where you will find lot of different volume panel theme. Android, iOS, OneUI, RGB, Web, Miui, ColorOS 6, Oxygen OS, EMEI, Windows 10, Android horizontal, OneUI horizontal, Windows Phone, Elastic, Emoji and Nope. So guys, you can get 16 volume panel theme and you also customize left, right, and top to bottom. Honestly, I like this application and this is very useful application. I hope you also try at home. And okay, today video about that. I hope you guys like this video and enjoy this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time with another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S. Allah Hafiz.